Morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures, Wednesday morning, April 23rd. Week housing report, third straight month of lower home sales has given the notes and bonds a little boost. An interrupted stock rally at the moment, slightly lower S&Ps and slightly lower NASDAQ has helped help the notes and bonds lift a little bit. Overall, the big picture is supply this week. There's a 5-year note auction today, a 7-year note auction tomorrow. Looks like they're going to go okay. I mean, it looks like there's bids for these things. Next week, as far as further reports, this week, jobless claims, durable goods orders tomorrow, Bloomberg Consumer Comfort. We also got PMI services and consumer sentiment on Friday, but the big deal will be another Fed meeting next week. People would expect kind of steady as she goes. In other words, it's slow motion tapering, most likely on track. However, I would think Yellen would be very careful to put any kind of date on when they might raise short-term rates. She's just going to leave that open, leave that up in the air. These guys will hash things out. That is, the Fed governors will hash things out without any preset map or game plan, basically. It's whatever they want to do. Anyways, and a big picture, obviously we're stalled a bit. We're in a trading range, 260 to 280 in the 10-year note. Resistance held last week in the bonds, right on cue, that 135 and a quarter to 135 and a half is going to be just a tough level to overcome. I would doubt we would do that without a more serious downturn in the stock market. Support in the bonds, big support is about a point underneath today's lows, around just underneath the 133 handle. I would say it doesn't look like there's any threat of that level getting taken out today, but of course we'll have to watch the numbers later in the week and see if there's any surprise next week with the Fed meeting. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Have a great trading day. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.